All right. Today I'm going to ask you to draw the silhouette of this animal, or the outline of this animal. This is I got a crocodile, as you can see. I'm going to give you 3 methods to make this easier to draw. We have we have an idea about what the crocodile looks like before we actually draw it, which ends up interfering with this its rather weird shape, all right? So there are some ways to overcome this, all right? First of all, you need to get this weird shape in your head. So one of the ways to do that is to trace around it with your finger or with the bottom of a pen before you even start. If people like to skip this step, but I'm going to tell you that it will cost you. You will have a harder time trying to figure out where everything is. It takes a couple minutes, but it gets you an idea about where everything is. I'm going around it. Yes, so there we go. Now that I traced around it, I'm going to show you another thing to think about, and that is there's space in between this and around this animal. All right. So this is almost a triangle, and I'm thinking about that against this other triangle going this way. So I'm thinking about the shapes on the outside and on the inside. The third thing that'll help you, I'm going to turn it upside down. This makes this look much less like a crocodile in my mind and more like a shape, because I'm in the end just drawing a shape. So I'm going to start here, all right, and I'm going to draw it as if I were tracing it, but I'm tracing it on this paper. So now I am drawing the little fingers, and it will not look exactly like it. In fact, I might not have left myself enough space for this draw. Now, you will find that some of your friends in class will find this easier than other people. And it is almost always the case the people who find this easier are people who draw a lot, practice a lot on their own. I don't think anybody just takes to drawing without doing some practicing. I have been drawing probably 50 more years than you've been on the planet, or close. You see me getting all these little nooks and crannies. It's going to be off a little bit. I'll show you how much it's off. But it'd be better than if I had not done any of the things I showed you to do. So here's the picture right here. Now at this point, you can see that, okay, it's a little fatter here than it should be. That should have been skinnier. I missed a tooth. So you have to think about that. But I did get certain things, like I got this little bend here, all right? And I got those little humps there. So I got most of it, all right? This stage, I want you to paint in the alligator or crocodile, whatever this is. And you could paint the outside if you want to, or the inside, or both. Be careful if you do, because the two colors might mix. You could put colors on top of colors to make a pattern of some sort, but you have to be careful, all right?